Hey everybody, today I'm making a real special dish. A buddy of mine went out and he caught a tuna and he came back and he goes, "Kid, I got a whole bunch of tuna steaks. You want some?" I said, "Of course I want some." So I meet him, he gives me the steaks, he goes, "Hey," he goes, "wouldn't it be nice if you did a video with my tuna steaks?" Well, here I am, guys. Today I'm going to give you a sesame ginger tuna steak on the grill that is to die for. And I'm also gonna pair it up with some Italian roasted street corn. So I'm gonna get everything ready behind me, and when we come back, I'm gonna show you how to make a quick and simple marinade for your fresh tuna steaks. All right, everybody, here we are. And very, very simple. 3 ingredients: sesame seeds, low sodium soy sauce, and fresh ginger root. And the first thing I'm going to do is I use the same garlic grating dish that I do with the fresh garlic with the ginger. Alright? And it's not a lot. I mean, I have a big root, but you're going to see I'm not going to use that much. Probably have a much bigger root than I needed to, because we only have 2 pieces here. Right? And for me, that's probably plenty. I'm going to take that, I'm going to drop it right into the soy sauce. Nice. You know something? Maybe we'll just have a little bit more. How's that? Just a little. I like ginger. Okay, in that goes my sesame seeds. Ah, love this. And of course, you guys know I'm a big fan of marinating in the plastic bag. Look at those bad boys. That's a tuna steak. He wasn't kidding when he said he caught a big tuna. Right? In the bag they go. The marinade. In the bag it goes. Right? And here we go. What's better than this? There's nothing better than this. This is the best way. Right? Look at that. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the air out, I'm going to put this in the fridge, I'm going to get all cleaned up, and when we come back, I'm going to show you how to make the spread for your Italian street corn. Okay, everybody. So, after that last clip, my mother's in the other room. She goes, "What the hell is grilled Italian street corn?" I went, "Well, it's corn grilled by an Italian out in the street." So if any of you asking that question, that's what it is. Okay? So what I have 6 tablespoons of butter. And I got a couple of cloves of garlic that I minced on the garlic grating dish. I'm going to throw that in there, right? This is another super simple, delicious thing. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Right? I'm going to give it a little bit of salt. Not too much salt, double blood pressure. Right? And a little bit of cracked pepper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds until the butter's melted. Here we go. So, here we are, melted, right? And then in goes 2 tablespoons of grated parmigiano. And what we're going to do is we're going to brush this on the corn before we put it on the grill, and then every time we turn it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get our grill ready, I'm going to get our tuna and our corn out there, along with this, and we'll be back. Okay guys, here we are. First thing, I love the grill spray. Nothing worse than a dry grill. And now the corn. Super simple, alright? Just make sure you do it over the dish because it's a little messy, Make sure you get some of that, look at the cheese and stuff, nice. Now, just remember, this is butter, so it has a tendency to flare on your grill. So just be careful. Right? Nice. This is the best stuff. Beautiful. And like I said, you're saving some too, because every time you give it a rotate, you're going to give it another coating. Oh yeah. Hey! Nice. Okay. Just lower lower your gas because you know it's going to flare up. Alright. There we go. This is something you have to watch because it'll burn very quickly. Okay. And now, on the other side, comes our tuna. Been marinating about a half hour or so. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now you take this. Ah, a little juice right there. Oh, beautiful. Okay, see, look at that. Corn already flaring up. Hey! Get it away from the flare. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, here we go. Here's the corn. Oh, nice. All right, we're gonna give that a nice rotate right there. Like I said, come over here and you give it a nice brush on that side. Delicious. And I bet those tuna steaks are ready to be flipped. At least for me they are. You know, tuna's like beef. Some people like it rare, medium rare, well done. I'm usually a medium kind of guy when it comes to the tuna. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. Nice. Okay, you know something? I'm going to give those a rotate that way too. Okay, guys, here we are. We'll be back in about another 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, guys, our corn, it's done. Our tuna has about 2 minutes left. Like I said, I'm a medium rare, medium kind of guy. So, as soon as that's done, we're going to go in, I'm going to plate it up, and we're going to give you that final product. Alright everybody, here we are. And if you haven't seen it, this is my mother's warm Italian pasta salad. Me and her did an episode on that, and if you haven't seen it, you need to see it, because it's fantastic. But let me tell you, how would you like to get this at your friend's barbecue, right? And of course you have your grilled Italian street corn, grilled by an Italian out in the street, just so my mother knows. And then of course, our tuna. Oh. Guys, it's so delicious. Oh. There's nothing like fresh caught tuna. Wow. I hope you guys try this recipe. I hope this is what your plate looks like at your next barbecue. If you like this, please give it that thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, even out by the grill, don't forget to live, laugh, and cook Italian.